Now that's what I call vinegar. This is Nehemiah Brew Boy Wonder. We're mixing vinegar and baking soda to make a bottle rocket. Now remember how we made the bath bomb? It's similar, but it's different. We're making a bottle rocket instead.
And we're gonna have, what's gonna happen? Chemical
Reaction.
Okay, where's your cork?
My cork is right here. A cork is something that, like, you know when your mom and dad drink something little kids can't have and you see this? This is a cork. So when you take it off, that's what makes it fly up in the air and everything explode out.
Yep, it traps the gas that's produced by the chemical reaction, and then the gas will build up in here and make it go up in the air.
We're about to launch a rocket on a rainy day. This is my sister, like, pushing it in, trying her best to get a better lift off than last time. We hope it works. Kids, you can do this at home. Just don't do it in your garage. You would have to clean it up all by yourself. Now when your parents shake it, run, okay? Run! Oh.